We can use the Magnifier tool for zooming into map details. The Magnifier tool is available as a sidebar button. We can add sidebar buttons from the main menu, Settings, General, and here we can select one of the sides and add the Magnifier tool. Now we find the Magnifier tool button here. When we click on it, then this circle is shown. We can drag around the circle. And as we can see, this does not change the area which is zoomed in, because the tool always zooms into the map center. Then we can zoom in and out. And we can press and hold on the zoom tool until the border turns red. And now the zoomed in area is locked in, which means when we move around the map, the zoomed in area does not change. We can unlock the tool again by pressing and holding the tool, and now it moves again with the map. We can close the Magnifier tool by pressing the sidebar button again.